Okay, we have now already analyzed this obstacle area. Now we have to analyze the FAS. Okay, so for this one, we have to go to Utilities Panos, Analyze the FAS. Utilities AR, Analyze obstacle FAS. We can analyze with GP plane that classify obstacle of missed approach or approach with the plane GP plane. Or by default, we classify with the XZ distance that is less than XZ is approach, and after XZ is missed approach. So by default, we left XZ, and here we added the terrain data that we have before, that is in downloads. The digital terrain model. We open, we click finish, and here we have to select the track. Example here, the track selected, and now the polyline, any polyline, and the analysis start of the FAS. And it could be in the FAS, in the ground, or in the missed approach segment. Okay, we have here the obstacle that is in the ground. This is the altitude of the area. And this is the same altitude of the airport. This one is the same altitude as the setup. And the high loss that we see before, that is connected with the elevation of the aerodrome, with the altitude of the elevation of the airport. In this case is 52 instead of 49 meters, is 52. And this is the OCA that it matches more or less with the chart, with the OCA that we can find in the chart, that is 8,000. Yes, it depends. Maybe here is the airport terminal, and there is an obstacle bigger than the obstacle of terrain. Okay, now we have to follow the analysis this kind of area, that is the missed approach. So in this new module, we have developed the analysis obstacle, PANOPS, missed approach, linear TP segment. So in this new module, we added the AR segment. You can see here, and by default is put the bang angle, the maximum bang angle, and the semi-span. You can edit match to your to maximum areas of your aircraft, etc. And here we have to select TP. This is the shock, the altitude of the. We are going to put the shock at the same place as the threshold, but as you can see before, the XZ is the shock is calculated before, is more or less for here. So we also can put here the shock, but in this case we are going to put the shock in the same place as the threshold. As an example, you can put the shock in the place, in the correct place that it corresponds. For example, here, etc. But in this example, we are going to put the shock in the threshold. Okay, and it has to be a point. Okay, point. We can put point O. We can point a terminal point in the shock as a point. Okay, we click next and added the digital terrain model as before, and click finish. Now we have to follow the instruction, that in this case is select the point shock. As an example, I told you before, I select the wrong way, but it could be here, maybe. Okay, that is, if you put the shock here, is more the altitude is less, so it's more the occur is slow in this case than before. Okay. Now the init of the radio to fix, that is here, the final of the RF, now final point of selected, center, and what else? We need now the polyline primary area. Polyline primary area. This one. Click escape, and you can see if you move, you can see the area is that one, and there is no more. We click escape, and we have to wait to see what's happened. And in the Missed Approach, the longitude is calculated with the arc start at this distance, the radius distance, minus 0.192 miles. So the longitude of every part of the area is maybe this distance. Is the side of the length is calculated with this distance. It's not the total radius, but the radius minus 0.1 nautic miles. Okay, have to wait to analyze the obstacles. So before is 5 million points. Yes, obstacle done. And we can see that it's in primary areas. This is the Missed Approach gradient. Distance of the area is very small, 8 meters. And this is the obstacle checked, 500. And outside the area is 4. So, okay. As you can see, there is obstacles here, here, and here. And also with QGIS, we can, with the digital terrain model example, reprojected, we can create contour nodes. Conversion to extraction contour nodes. We can create contours, okay, to create shape and to see in the words in the ArcNet cut. So contour, it's we have to put elevation, projected, each interval of the contour lines, it's 10 meters, okay, is enough for us, and by default is left, but you have to put elevation. And we have to save as a shape in the same folder as before, and we are going to put shape data, save, and run. And it generates the document, okay, finish, close. And you can see this is the contours, and we have to go to the R space, and we are going to draw, no, ENG format not. We have to draw shape other formats, and select the shape data. As you can see, there is 4 elements. That's every time that you generate shape is generate 4. So you have to select only the CHP, but the other 3 has to be in the same folder. Okay, so we click open, and we have to wait maximum, minimum, maximum altitude, and minimum. and this is the shape, and we are going to see now this is the data. So as you can see, this is the maximum altitude that we found in the Missed Approach, and we are going to check it that the altitude that we check it. Okay, so you can see in this analysis of the Missed Approach, we get it this altitude from the obstacle to 5 and 29. So we click I, enter, and I. And we can see that here there is a line, because this is the points is a matrix. So in this case, the 2 and 59 for here, there are more obstacles here, also more. So, but the FAS, yes, it doesn't happen because it's 180. So, but from here to that way, there is not nothing happen, because I start here and everything for here is clean, as you can see. And from here there is more higher altitudes, but it's more far away. So also here is clean, so we don't have problems in this procedure. And also in this kind of analysis before, that we get it that is the OCA was 8 and 900 feet. The altitude is more a slope. I don't remember. Oh, see, yes, I don't. This is the ground, and the other part is I don't get it this time. This is the altitude to 3 to 325. You can see that the FAS is clean, so everything is okay. Here there are more altitude, more in the FAS, but more far away from the FAS. So instead, this is the most important obstacle for the FAS. For the Missed Approach, you can see that 2.5. So everything is okay with the 29. It's more clean. So if we check this altitude, for example, the altitude here is 26 minus smoke is that altitude. For example, here is I don't know, if we calculate, maybe it's 3, I don't know. For example, with 200 to 800, 2800 is everything is clean. So we can check it more or less with this kind of tool, if everything is okay or not, etc. etc. So I hope that you enjoy my videos and use AirMarkat. Thank you very much. Thank you for everything.